It's a blizzard. Woo! There's nothing better than feeling uncomfortable, honestly, and just enjoying the snow, enjoying this blizzard that we're having. Even Kimber, the little mini Datsun, she loves it. Loves the cold. She's only 8 pounds, man. But yeah, dropped off the girlfriend at work right there at the hospital. I don't know if you can see it, but it's back there. We have this snowstorm that just started about an hour ago, and it's coming down. It's not coming down hard, but it is chilly. They say it's 29 degrees, but apparently it feels like 17. I never understood that. How is it 29 degrees outside, but it feels like it's 17? I think it's 17. It feels like 17. You know what I mean? Hey, Kimber, Samson, come on, y'all, this way. I think she's ready to go back to the truck. She's fast. Look at that girl. Phew! What's up, girlfriend? Oh man, we're just getting a little walk in the park, a little stroll by the river, which is right there, before we head back home and try to be productive. Yeah. You guys ever go out for a walk? Do something uncomfortable, something that just, I don't know, you're different. 99% of the people are indoors, not wanting to come walk outside in the snow and enjoy it. I don't know, I feel like I'm just one of those souls that enjoys doing the uncomfortable and enjoys being the opposite of what everyone else is doing. Ain't that right, buddy? Samson, hey bud, say hi. So what's up, guys? And there goes Kimber. Oh man, go get her, bud. That's a cool little brother and sister right there. I tell you, he's 7 years old and he's like 85 pounds. And she's 2 and 8 pounds. But they enjoy playing together. I think she's ready to go because she's running back to the truck. The little butt's getting cold. All right, guys, have a great day. Make the best of it, and see you on the next one.